Morning students, we are doing exercise 4.5 and question number 1 we have done yesterday, and question number 3 I instructed is similar to the question number 1. So third one is your homework. No one is completed homework till now, so do it in today. And now question number 2, which is different one, so I am going to explain this question. So we have to construct a rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter. So we know that in a rhombus all the sides of a rhombus are equal and its diagonals intersect each other at bisect each other at the intersection point. Okay, so first of all we have to construct an line segment of 5.2 centimeters. In rough sketch diagram we can understand, suppose this one is of 5.2 centimeter and we know that 6.4 centimeter is another diagonal. So diagonal intersect each other at a point where they intersect each other as bisecting both the lines. Now then if it is the bisecting point, then this and this is equal length, and this one is also of equal length. So we have to make an rhombus such that it have two diagonals 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeters. So as we have to take it as A, B, C, D, because there is no name given of this quadrilateral or rhombus. So first of all, construct a line segment AC equal to 5.2 centimeter. So make a line segment of 5.2 centimeter with the help of a scale. This is the 5.2 centimeter. With the help of a scale I made it. Then thereafter name this as AC, which is of 5.2 centimeter. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find its midpoint, where its midpoint. So finding of midpoint, we have to draw a perpendicular bisector of this line segment. So perpendicular bisector, you all know how to bisect a line as perpendicular. You in last classes you have solved that kind of question. So from point C, take more than the half of the length of the given line AC. That means if 5.2 is there, that means we have to take at least 3 or 4 centimeters measurement. To you have to take it as our own choice. Now we can take it larger than there, we can take smaller or anything. So I am taking as this much to draw an arc upside and downside both the places from the point C, and without changing the measurement, again we put this pointer on point A and make an arc in upside and downside. Okay, upside and downside we have made it two arcs. So we got the intersection point. This one is intersection point. There I have my compass is little bit squidged, then that's why I taken another arc. So this one is the real point where these 2 points were intersected. So match these 2 points and make a line as like that. Okay, so these are the line, name these 2 lines as X and Y. These are the line XY. This is the line XY with which is the perpendicular bisector of the line AC. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find the second diagonal. We have to use the second diagonal's length. So there is the second diagonal is of 6.4 centimeter. So BD equal to 6.4 centimeter. So this and this is not point BD. We have to find point BD. So if total length of BD is 6.4 centimeter, then it's half. That means from this point there is suppose O. So O to B and O to D equal to half of its. So take half of its, that means 6.4 divided by 2, then 6 is divided by 3 times by 2, then there will be 0, and put decimal there and put 4. So 3 2s are 2 2s are 4. So 3.2 is the measurement of both the bisected points, bisected lines OD and OB. Okay, now we have to make a measurement of 3.2 centimeter with the help of scale. See carefully, this is of 3.2 centimeter or not? 3.2 centimeter is there now. Now put the compass in point O where this point is intersected each other, then make an arc upside, and with the similar measurement we have to take arc on the downside in line XY. Now what we get? We get 2 points D and B. Okay, these are the 2 points we got. Now we have to match A to B, B to C, now C to D. Where is the D? Here now. So C to D, and at last D to A. And if we match A to D or D to A, we got the required quadrilateral or required rhombus ABCD. Okay, this is the required rhombus. So in this rhombus we have done and which whatever we things which we have done are the steps which we have to write now. So first thing, we constructed a diagonal AC equal to 5.2 centimeter. Then thereafter, with the help of compass, draw a bisector or a perpendicular bisector of line AC. Then perpendicular bisector line XY we got with the help of drawn the perpendicular bisector. Now what we have done, we taken an arc of 3.2 centimeter because there is BD equal to 6.4 centimeter. That's why we taken half of it. That means 3.2 centimeter as OB and OD. So from point O, cut an arc of 3.2 centimeter because there is the 3.2 centimeter and there is also 3.2 centimeter. So this total is 6.4 centimeter, but half of it is 3.2 and 3.2. So make an arc from point O as upside and downside in the line XY to get the point D and B respectively. So that thing we have to write in our steps of construction. Then thereafter, what we have done, we founded the point B and D, then match point A to B, B to C, C to D, and last D to A. Okay, that much is the required construction and whatever steps we have followed. So write this as your homework, and question number 4 is your homework. Do by your own. If you face any difficulty, then get back to me. Thank you.